Have you ever woken up after a full 8 hours of sleep and still felt like you got hit by a truck? Like, you did everything right. You slept early, no late night Instagram scrolling, you even avoided that one friend who calls you every day at 2 a.m. But you still wake up tired, your brain is foggy, your body feels heavy, and by 3 p.m. you're about ready to give up on life. Yeah, same. And today I'm going to tell you the real reasons this keeps happening, and how to fix it, starting tonight. Alright, we all grew up hearing this simple formula. Just sleep 8 hours. As if it's the magical number that solves everything. But here's the truth nobody told us. You don't need 8 hours of sleep. You need 8 hours of good sleep. And most of us, we're not sleeping. We're passing out. We collapse into bed after destroying our dopamine all day. To the brain that's overstimulated, stressed, and heated like a gaming PC. Of course we wake up exhausted. Sleep isn't about time. It's about quality. And quality has 3 killers. Let's talk about them. Alright, this one hits hard. A lot of us spend entire days doing nothing physical. School, sitting, studying, sitting, scrolling, sitting, gaming, sitting. So when we go to bed, our mind is tired, but our body still has energy. That mismatch destroys your sleep. Have you ever gone to bed early, but your brain starts replaying all your embarrassing moments? Or you start planning your entire future at 11:47 p.m.? That's your body saying, bro, you didn't use me today, so I'm not shutting down. Fix. You don't need a full workout, you just need movement. A 20-minute walk, a 10-minute stretch, a couple of push-ups, quick bike ride, anything that gets your heart rate up. Do this consistently and watch how fast you fall asleep. Your mind rests when your body rests, and your body rests when it's actually used. This one's brutal for Gen Z and students. We scroll TikTok, Instagram, YouTube shorts getting hit by tiny dopamine spikes every 2 seconds. Your brain gets addicted to constant stimulation. So when you try to sleep, your mind refuses to shut up. It's like giving a kid 10 Red Bulls and saying, okay, now go to bed. We don't realize this, but your brain needs to be bored before you can sleep. Follow this rule. The 30-minute digital detox. No phone 30 minutes before bed. You can stretch, read, journal, or just lie down in darkness like a mysterious main character. Within 3 days, you'll notice the difference. Section 4. This is the most underrated reason. You might think you're tired from lack of sleep, but actually, you're tired because your brain has been fighting mental battles all day. School deadlines, parents' expectations, study guilt, loneliness, it all adds up. Stress floods your body with cortisol, and cortisol is literally a sleep killer. Here's why. When your brain thinks you're in danger, it refuses to fully relax. Fix. This one's simple. Write down everything that's stressing you before bed. A 30-second brain dump. Open notes and type, okay brain, here's everything that's messing me up today. List it out. No structure, just vomit your thoughts. You'll sleep like your brain just took a deep breath. Okay, here's something nobody talks about. You might think you're getting 8 hours of sleep, but your sleep is actually broken into 20 tiny pieces. Every notification, every time your AC turns on, every time you move, your brain wakes up for a second. You don't remember it, but it destroys your deep sleep. Fix. Keep your room cool. Use do not disturb. Darken your room. Avoid heavy meals before bed. If possible, have the same sleep and wake time. It's boring, but your nervous system loves boring. These 5 things alone can transform your energy in a week. You don't need fancy supplements. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You just need better habits before sleeping. Listen, you deserve to wake up feeling refreshed. You deserve to feel alive, not exhausted. And you don't need to fix your whole life to do that. Just fix your nights. Try at least one of these tonight, just one, and watch how your entire day changes tomorrow. If you want more videos that help you upgrade your life, hit subscribe and let's level up together. You're closer than you think. See you in the next one.